Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. I'm a little stuffed up right now from practice, so bear with me here as I try to share with you guys a quick tip on how to fix a sticky throttle. So let's get into it. So 2004 Honda CRF 450R, and the sticky throttle issue is kind of what I was having to deal with at practice. Now basically the throttle would be wide open, and instead of doing this, snapping back, it would actually stay wide open. Now, the reason for this is because the end here is too far in. So basically, you guys are gonna go in here, you have your clamp here, you just loosen it off. Now, I've actually already done this, so it's gonna be kind of hard for you guys to see, but there is a little bit of a silver lining here, and that is the amount that I've actually moved the hand grip with the assembly out. So you can see it right there. See a little sliver of silver there, the shine? That is all I moved it out. So basically a 1/16 of an inch, that is it. And so now, that's it. It just moves barely a 1/16 of an inch, but it goes in and out. And so now, when you grab a handful of throttle, snaps back, super easy fix. Basically, the grip here is just rubbing up against the inside of the handlebar. So if you guys are having the exact same problem, this is a quick fix, less than 5 minutes. Go grab your tools, loosen these screws, slide it out just a 1/16 of an inch. That is it, just so that there's that little, hopefully you guys can hear that, just a little bit of play in there. That is all you need to fix this issue. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Well guys, short and sweet. Now obviously this is a quick fix if you're having the exact same problem. If your grip is actually out that 1/16 of an inch, there's a little bit of play and the throttle is still sticking, you may have some larger issue at hand. You may have to replace the cables on it potentially, or maybe something as simple as lubricating some components on the bike. Now, obviously you guys are gonna have to do some troubleshooting and diagnose what is actually wrong with the bike if this fix doesn't work, but hopefully it does. So if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button so I know that it's working. Any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you guys want me to share what it could also be, maybe track the cables down further on the bike, I can also do that because I have the bike right here. So I can always dig a little bit deeper for you guys and help you troubleshoot your own issues with your bikes as well. So if you guys like this, again, smash that like button and be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future content on the channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.